So in the CRUD operations, create, retrieve, update, all are done. Now delete is pending. How to delete the record? List 2. All books information I can provide it there. If I want to Django, if I want to update I can provide it. Pages some 190, cost some 230, insert. So it will be updated. If I want to go to the list 2, it will display all the details. The only thing is, once I click on this, along with this, I want to provide it delete. So final the class is delete view is the class. So open atom, go to the views, class, book, delete view. The parent class is delete view is the class. Copy this, paste here. Now model name. What is the model name? Book is the model name. After that, once I deleted book, which page I want to go to there? I want to go to the once deleted main page I want to go to. The main page URL is list 2. That URL I want to provide it. For that, there is one URL will be there, that is variable, predefined variable, success underscore URL. Where you want to pointing to that, I want to provide it. There is one here from Django. Success URL meant for target path. Django dot URLs import. There is one more reverse underscore lazy of I want to give the URL pattern. What is the pattern? List 2. Why this reverse underscore lazy means I have to delete one record means it will take some time. You have to wait until that time and it will pointing to the list 2 page. That is the meaning of success URL and reverse underscore lazy. So delete view, views.py, create one view. Success URL represents the target page which should be displayed after delete operation. Then begin with success URL. Reverse underscore lazy function will wait until deleting the record. That's why we are using these two. Go to URLs. Instead of update, delete. Delete view. So here, go to the admin panel, books 78611, first ID. I want to delete this ID. If I want to send the request is ఇది server address. My request is server address slash delete slash one ID. Cut this, go to here, paste it. We are getting error. What is the error? Template does not exist. It is looking for one template. What is the template file? Book underscore confirm underscore delete.html file. So, okay, HTML file you can create. If we send request, we are getting an error. The error is template does not exist. Book underscore confirm underscore delete.html. So create one HTML file with this with this name. So with this name, one HTML file is required. Copy this, come to here, right click on test app, new file. Here. దీనిలో paste it. Div class container alignment. Do you want to really delete this book? Curling brace, context object book dot title. Form not required. Button required kada. Button. I want to click on submit button. Type equal to submit. Delete a book. That's why CSF token is there. Form closed division. చూద్దాం. Refresh. Do you want to really delete the book? Because once I clicking on this button, it is the post request and I'm submitting something that's a provided CSRF token. Delete book. Button success కాదు కదా అది. Danger. Yeah. So by mistake, I'm clicking on delete. I don't want to. I have to give another option for you. Anchor tag. Instead, I want to provided, sorry, cancel. Don't delete. Refresh. 2 buttons came. దీనికి ఒక class button success. If I want to click on cancel, it is pointing to the hash symbol. Instead of that, I want to go to the main page, remove this /list2. Now refresh. If you click on list2, back వెళ్తుంది. Click here. కానీ ఇక్కడ you have to provide one button. What is the button? Delete this book. కానీ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం మనం every time? ఇక్కడ I am given URL pattern. This is not correct. Delete of one like this. If I want to delete the book, is it deleted? Delete. Error came. No reverse match, delete one, list2. Okay. The problem is reverse underscore lazy is accepted where we are given. This URL pattern I'm given not accepted. This URL pattern ki list2 ki you have to give some name. Name equal to list of books. This name you can give to the URL pattern is not there. Give this one. Save. Actually, go to backend. This is the backend. One book already clicking on delete button gone. Delete aleda. Avla. Sorry. Now come to here again. Come this. Delete of one. Delete book. పోయిందా? Gone. So ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ మెయిన్ బటన్ I can require. ఇక్కడే once clicking on update this book or delete the book. For that ఇది ఎక్కడుంది? ఇది detail book underscore detail.html. After here I want to provided copy update బదులు delete. ఇక్కడ delete. ఇక్కడ instead of warning danger. Done. Scenario completed. Now come to list2. Yes. Django. If you want to update, you can update 100 rupees. Updated. Come here, refresh. Django updated with 100 rupees. Now come to here. Do you want to delete Django? Yes. Cancel it back. No, I want delete. Delete. React. Delete. Delete the book. Data science. Delete. Sorry. Cancel. Back. Now update. Updated. If you want to insert anything, starting you can provide the delete. Cancel. Ikkada you can provide one button. What is that? Insert new book. Total cinema got completed. The story of CRUD operations. In the views.py, you can change success URL. What is this list books view means? In URLs, I updated name I can provided for that URL. That name I am passing here. Next, add one delete button in book underscore detail.html. So next one more application we will discuss the same CRUD operation by using CBV. After that we go to the next level, Django ORM. ఏమన్నాయి టాపిక్స్ మీకు? సెషన్ అయిపోయింది, అథెంటికేషన్, డిజాంగో ఓఆర్ఎం అయితే మ్యాక్సిమం అయిపోయినట్లే. అడ్వాన్స్ మోడల్ సింపుల్ 2 days, మిడిల్ వేర్ 2 days. సో బిఫోర్ పొంగల్ డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ 2 days maximum. టుమారో ఓఆర్ఎం అడ్వాన్స్ మోడల్ 6, 7, 8, 9, deployment 10. Before 11th, okay, before festival, I will finish your Django, all the topics. After festival, I will start REST API. By month ending, our course will be finished by Friday 31st kada. 31st is our last class. Sir, now Flask not required. Okay, practice Django. Django is enough. Can you please provide first Google Classroom link? That is not 7:30 p.m., 7:30 a.m., 22nd. By 31st, it will finish. That 22nd class is Dhanush, morning 7:30 a.m., not p.m. You can check it properly. Sir, now one more application we have to do. Then the CBV is completed. Come to this, close all these. ఇది 2 kada. Now stop the server, clear screen, Django -admin start project CBV, project 3, CD, CBV, PY, manage.py, start app, test app. CBV3, go to settings, install apps, test app, go to test app, open models, class, company, models, model. Company have the name, models dot character field, maximum length, company have, location, models dot, character field, maximum length, company have, CEO, models dot, all character fields, maximum length 64, save. ఇది wow. This is the model class. So now next migrations migrate table will be created. Py manage.py migrations ఎక్కడో పోయింది. ఎక్కడ అయితే ఇక్కడ పోయి ఉంటుందిగా. Create model company, migrate, tables created, go to the admin.py, register, go to the admin class, company admin dot, the class name is model admin, the variable is list underscore display, whatever values are there, 3 are there, name, location, CEO, admin dot, site dot, register, company admin, from test app models, import company. Manual create super user py manage.py create super user leave blank mail id password again password create yes run the server server restarted. So this process already you know all the things. Come to here admin panel. This is an admin. Go to the admin. Login. Companies. 0 are there. Add some 3-4 companies. Company name. Wipro. Location. Hyderabad. CEO. Save. Second company. TCS. Location. Pune. CEO. Deepika. Save. Company. Infosys. Location. Bangalore. CEO. Karina. Save. Okay. 3 companies are there. List. I want to display all the list of employees. What is the class? List view class. So go to the views.py. Generally, we have to read company.objects.all stored into variable send. But now we are using class based views. Simple, we have to provide views.py class company list view. So where it is available from Django dot views dot generic import list view. This is the parent. This is the child. Only one line you have to mention model. What is the model name? Our model name is company. Where it is available there? From testapp dot models. Import company. ఇదే your view. ఈ వ్యూకి ఒక URL you can define. ఒక HTML file is required. దీనికి ఒక URL is required. Okay. So give blank URL, empty URL you can provide. Don't give any URL, blank. Views dot company list view as underscore view. Internal it is converted to function based. From test app import views. ఇది URL pattern. What is the HTML page? HTML page name ఏంటి? company underscore list dot html fixed model name underscore list dot html context object parameter model name underscore list. First, sir, there are so many HTML pages are there. That's why inheritance purpose, I have to take base dot HTML. This page I have to inherit it to all our templates because there are so many HTML files are there. Take one common template, right click, new folder, templates, right click, folder, test app, right click, new file. Here we are not writing any code, just inheritance purpose, base.html. Take the common code HTML code. ఇక్కడ ఎందుకంటే ఎవ్రీ టైమ్ ఇఫ్ ఐమ్ యూజింగ్ దట్ లింక్ సిఎస్ఎస్ instead of that one base page I inherited get bootstrap, copy the css, come to here, paste it inside body div class container. Inside don't write anything, just to define the block body underscore block, end the block, end block. But before that, settings template underscore dir equal to slash this template dir. Now మీరు you have to write link gink not required, just body block is bus, that is base.html code, block body underscore block end block. Next, what is the HTML page? Company underscore list dot HTML. It is responsible to display all companies. Take one HTML file, right click, new file, take HTML code, remove all these nonsense. Now curling brace, percentage extends where it is available, test app slash base dot HTML. What is the block? This block. Copy, paste. Block and body block. So internally you can write your code. H1 list of all companies. First to save. Server is started. I am given blank URL. So just to send the only server address. List of all companies. I want to display all the companies. What is the context object? We need the context object. Percentage for each company in what is the context object name? Model name underscore list. Company previous game what book underscore list. So model name underscore list. Inside display first list of element. Company dot name. 2, 3 are there. Next location. Next CEO. It will be displayed. After that one line. Horizontal line. Come to here, refresh. End for walla. Okay, sorry. After this is the for loop ఏది ఇక్కడ ఉంది. Close the for loop. End for. అదేంటి అలా వచ్చింది. విప్రో కింద హైదరాబాద్ లైన్ ఏది. విప్రో హైదరాబాద్ సన్నీ లియోని. ఇది లైనేనా. అదేంటి లాస్ట్లో పడింది. అదేంటి అదో చోట ఇయో చోట వచ్చినాయి. సరే ఏదో ఒకటి వచ్చినాయి కదా. అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్ ఫర్ లూప్. అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది. లైన్ ప్రింట్ అయింది. సర్లేండి ఏదో ఒకటి ముందు అయితే డేటా వచ్చింది కదా, దీన్ని మారుస్తా నేను. ఇవి ఇక్కడ రావాలి, ఇక్కడ ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలి యాక్చువల్గా అయితే. అవి మాత్రం ముందుకు జరిగినాయి. బ్లాక్ బాడీ బ్లాక్. ఇదిగో ఫర్ లూప్ ఇన్సైడ్ గెలుస్తుంది ఇవేళ్ళు. పైన బయట రాసామా. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైద్ది. ఇవి కూడా లోపలికి వచ్చినాయి. సర్లే ఏదో ఒకటి జరిగింది కదా. సరే ఇది month. If you are not written anything means, see, if you are not, why I am extending means if base page HTML head data title this link Okay, Malli closing, all that tags are there. Na? I'm not using all these things. Main I can provide that this link is applicable to all pages and everywhere these head meta all are not required. Okay. This once I'm extending whatever code is required, that code I am returning important code. Here any HTML tags are there, links are there, divisions are there, nothing. Whatever main code child block, that code I am written. Because next to so many HTML files I am created. That's why one base page I am taken, I am extending all these to that page, Hanumantu. Completed? Next one is views.py class company detail view. Okay, class name is detail view. Model company. Bus. This is the view. దీనికి ఒక URL. Particular company కాబట్టి I have to pass one ID. Every time view URL HTML. What is the default HTML page? HTML page. Model name underscore detail.html. What is the model name? Detail.html. చూడండి now company.detail.html. So here, instead of writing all HTMLs, just I'm extending that one reusability purpose. So blog, body blog, I don't want list of all these. Remove all these. Okay. H1 tag, curly brace, context object, model name, first company information. I want to display here unordered list inside H2 list of element company name. Context object is model name dot name double curling brace double double company location company CEO end block. ఇదే ఫైల్ ఫస్ట్ కంపెనీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కంపెనీ నేమ్ లొకేషన్ అండ్ సిఇఓ కాకపోతే అప్పుడు ఎలా వస్తుంది ఇది ఒక నిమిషం ఇది ఇలా రాదు అక్కడికి వెళ్ళి మార్చాలనుకుంటా సరే ఫస్ట్ టేక్ దిస్ వన్ URL primary key I provided రావాలి కదా ఐడి అడ్మిన్ 1 minute 1 2 3 ఐడి ఉంది కదా గోయింగ్ టు మెయిన్ పేజ్లో ఐడి తీసుకోదు. Yeah. Oh. So, okay. Sir, ఇక్కడ which ID I am passing that record TCS, which ID I am passing that record we are getting. But actually this is not the way. ఇది ఇక్కడ I want to display all anchor tags. Once I clicking on this link, go to there. That is my requirement. So company underscore list of all companies, remove all this story. List of all companies inside take list of element, take anchor tag here, curling brace, context object dot names I am displaying. ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. Refresh. Names came. Once I clicking on this, it is pointing to hash symbol. I want to go to the URL pattern slash of curling brace dot ID you need to pass. Then come to here, refresh the page, click on Wipro details, TCS details, Infosys details. So ఇక్కడ I want to provide it now. Do you want to edit, delete, or else come to back? Here I want to insert new company, or ఇక్కడ three buttons I can require, not to two. Update, delete, list of companies. Because if you want to go to back, every time I'm clicking on this symbol, don't click on this. If I click list, go to the back, delete, deleted, update, update. Three buttons I can implemented. And here, if I want to insert, every time I'm going to backend, here I'm adding no. Here itself you can provide one button, insert a new company. Then data will be inserted. That is the next level. So here, what changes are there in your code? List.html. Tell him that create, update, delete. Tomorrow we will discuss.